Only 10% of marketing teams feel like they're using HubSpot's full potential. And if you're watching this video, you've probably invested thousands into HubSpot, spent hours reading blog articles, maybe you've even launched a few campaigns, but you're just not seeing the results you were hoping for. So if you're ready to stop dabbling and start mastering Marketing Hub's powerful tools, this is the video for you. Hey everyone, I'm Gabrielle Paris, the head of sales here at On the Fuze. And for the past 8 years, we have helped over 1,000 companies optimize HubSpot. But before working together, our clients were frustrated and overwhelmed. They knew HubSpot could help them grow their business, but they just didn't have the time to learn all the ins and outs of the tool. So they only ever used a fraction of Marketing Hub's powerful tools. And that is exactly why we created the free HubSpot Marketing Hub Masterclass. This is a step-by-step course helping you go from zero to Marketing Hub Master. And this is just the first chapter of this masterclass series. So by the end of it, you're going to know exactly what Marketing Hub is, the core tools that make it so powerful, how HubSpot connects everything together for you, and even the new AI features that are just changing the game for marketers. With that, let's jump in. So what is Marketing Hub? The Marketing Hub is like a mission control for your entire marketing operation. It's designed to help your business grow by attracting the right audience, then converting them into customers, and then keeping them satisfied over time. So the platform is designed to be both strong and simple, integrating all of your marketing tools like email templates, forms, lead scoring with workflows, HubSpot's powerful automation features. And because it integrates with HubSpot's CRM, sales, and service hubs, you always have an entire picture of your prospect or client's interactions. Sound pretty awesome, right? Well, let's jump into all of its features. So the Marketing Hub provides powerful tools for every stage of your marketing journey. While we're exploring each one in depth throughout this entire masterclass, here's a quick overview to help you get a little bit more familiar with what's coming up next. First is lead generation tools like forms, CTAs, then marketing automation with workflows in your email campaigns. We even have social media management and ads management across multiple platforms, and finally, comprehensive analytics and reporting. And the great thing is these tools are not separate. They are deeply interconnected, helping leads flow seamlessly through your marketing efforts. Let's walk through what this looks like in practice. So let's say that a prospect finds your business through a social media post that you posted through HubSpot. They then click into a landing page and then fill out a form, both created via HubSpot. And if this contact isn't already a contact in your CRM, it will be created. A workflow will be triggered, sending them a series of personalized emails based on their interests and behavior. And the more they engage, open emails, click on certain links, revisit your website, all of this data feeds right back into your CRM to create a super targeted approach. And you're able to track this entire journey from the first click to your close one deal, all within your HubSpot CRM. And now for some super exciting updates to the Marketing Hub in artificial intelligence. HubSpot has been steadily integrating AI into the Marketing Hub through its latest updates to Breeze AI. This includes an AI content agent, social media agent, data analysis, and even more. These tools aren't meant to replace your marketing team. They're here to handle all the grunt work to help you guys focus on strategy. These agents can help you draft email content faster, generate social media and blog posts in seconds, automate routine tasks, and even uncover insights in your marketing. Breeze AI is so powerful. We've created a whole video on all of its features and use cases. So make sure to click on the link on the screen to check that out. So there you have it. HubSpot Marketing Hub in a nutshell. From its super smart CRM foundation to its interconnected tools and AI capabilities, it is designed to help your business grow more efficiently. In the next Marketing Hub Masterclass video, we'll uncover how to set up your HubSpot account for long-term marketing success. So guys, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that awesome video, and don't forget to check out the blog linked in the description below. And if you want to keep learning about all things HubSpot, just make sure to check out our previous videos by clicking the cards on the screen. With that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.